Okay, this is a short video just to try to straighten something out that people are commenting on YouTube about the channel, the video I came out with. So the two people, they know who I'm talking about. So I'm not going to mention their names, but they commented to me today that the 24-pin connector, this thing, I have hooked up backwards. No, I don't think I do. It won't fit any other way. So unless I'm doing this wrong, this goes to motherboard. See? There's no way these two are going to fit into the power supply. It's just not going to happen. This goes to power supply. This single 24 pin goes to the motherboard. That's the way I had it, folks. That's the way I had it. So, this connected to motherboard, this connected to power supply. You're telling me I have it wrong? I'd like to see you get these two plugged into that motherboard. It won't fit. So, you guys tell me if I had it wrong. I don't think I did. Single 24 pin goes to motherboard because that's the only way it's gonna fit, like so. This end goes to the power supply because there's only one place for it, and there is no labeling at all on these cords, these wires. There's no, unless I'm not seeing it. Yeah, I'm not seeing any labeling on here at all. So this end goes to power supply because that's the only way it can go. Or were you two talking about my 8-pin? The one up here that I probably have backwards. Which one were you talking about? Alright guys, later.